going on, guys? Tony here, back again with another public service announcement. You guys know that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and also the Z Flip 4 are released and are out in the wild, but right now is a perfect time for you to pick up their older device, which is the Z Fold 3, which you can pick up for a really good price, and you can also pick up the Z Flip 3 for a really good price if you want to save tons of money. These devices, the Fold 4 and the Flip 4, had incremental upgrades, so there's not a lot of big changes that you can visually see with these two devices, from the Fold 3 to the Fold 4, or from the Flip 3 to the Flip 4. They're very similar, and there's not a lot of huge differences, so you can save some money by going to Amazon.com is where I found them to be the cheapest. And you can see here, if you go into the Fold, if you go to Amazon Renewed and you type in Z Fold 3, you will see an amazing deal on here. So we do have the Samsung Galaxy. This is the unlocked version, by the way, US unlocked version, and the storage capacity on here is actually 512 gigabytes. So you're getting plenty of storage for this particular device right here. And this also has, I'll click on the link and show you, this also has the warranty. I think it's the 90 days. I think they have, it's covered by Amazon Renewed, guaranteed by Amazon, 90 days return policy. So you can rock with this phone for like 90 days. Make sure it's at 100% before you decide to keep it. And if it's not at 100%, if there's something that it's just not working right, you got 90 days to return it, which I think this is an excellent deal on Amazon right now. They also have some other ones, like this one right now is for what the price is $839, but they have others, and this one is in excellent condition, backed by the 90-day Amazon Renewed guarantee, which is amazing. No questions asked. You just don't like it, you return it. Come over here to the side. They have a couple other ones for $748.19. They have good condition and they have acceptable condition. So I would go for the good condition because acceptable is basically the same price. And you tap on that, and you see you still have the 90 days. So you got the good refurbished, since it is Amazon refurbished. You do have the 90 days return on here, so you can keep this device for 90 days and rock with it. They have that guarantee right here. Quick team, you got high quality product, cleaned and inspected, and they also have quick support for claims, troubleshooting, eligible for replacement or refund within 90 days of receipt. You got the SIM tool removal. It should come in the original package. I'm not 100% sure, but it kind of gives you the definition of excellent condition versus good condition versus acceptable condition. So the good condition, which is the one that I would recommend, is the screen has no scratches, body light scratches, barely visible when holding device 12 inches away. So they kind of give you a description of what it is, the good condition that they are telling you it's in. Excellent condition, so no scratches or nothing. So good condition will be the way to go if you want to save tons of money on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 with 512 gigabytes of storage. This is an amazing price right now, and I think I'm going to add this to my cart before I post this video, because I'm pretty sure there's going to be a lot of people out there that are going to do the same. And if we go to the Amazon Renewed Z Flip 3, you can also see that you also have Amazon Renewed deals on here. I think the cheapest one that I saw was like right here, the unlocked version, $395. So we're going to tap on that one. This is visit the Amazon Renewed store. Let me go here real quick. and type it in again. Z Flip 3, and we get their listed. So these are all the ones that are Amazon renewed. These are the only ones that are going to pop up if you type it in up here. All of these are Amazon renewed, backed by the 90-day warranty. Most of them, I think all of them are from Amazon. Let me double check though. I'll click on this one. This is $4.89 and Amazon renewed. Let me see. So this product should have the warranty on here, and I don't see it on here, but here it is. Amazon, what is Amazon renewed? And it gives you the definition again, and it gives you all the conditions of excellent, good, and acceptable. And this is the 90-day refund if you're not happy with it. So yeah, let me go back up here, and this is the unlocked version of the Z Flip 3, and it is 128 gigs. I think I saw some with more capacity, but if you're looking for that particular model, you got here acceptable condition, good condition. You choose whatever you want here. They're both backed up by the 90 days of Amazon warranty there. So we'll go back, and we got some other ones here. These are all, they got the T-Mobile one also, which this is the lowest price I've seen for the T-Mobile one, $398. But let me see, I think there's more. Let me double check real quick. But yeah, really good deals. Yeah, $398 is the acceptable version one. But yeah, really good deals on Amazon.com. You can go to, what is it, Swappa.com and see if they got comparable prices, but so far nothing has beaten the Amazon of $749 for good condition Galaxy Z Fold 3 Factory Unlock US version. Definitely a beast right here. Hope I helped somebody out. Drop a comment down below and let me know if you're going to pick one up for this amazing price. This is renewed Amazon refurbished. I repeat, renewed Amazon refurbished with the 90-day return warranty if you're not happy with your purchase. So this product is refurbished, fully functional, and in good condition, backed by 90-day Amazon renewed guarantee. I'm about to order mine. I'll catch you guys in another video, and enjoy your new Z Fold 3 or Z Fold Flip courtesy of Tony Pazzo. We out.